In this video, you will learn how to complete your housing and meal plan agreement successfully if you are under 18 years old. Before you begin, you will need to log into your MyBGSU account, locate the Housing and Residence Life section, and click on the Housing and Meal Plan application link. Then, you will be brought to the Office of Residence Housing portal. On this page, you will need to click the Apply for Housing button to gain access to the housing application. You will officially start your application by selecting the orange Start Application button on the bottom left of your screen. From there, you will be taken to a page where you will be asked to select the academic term you want to apply for housing. The next step is to read and agree to the COVID-19 acknowledgement and statement. Once you have read through the information in detail, click the I agree button to move on to the next page. Because you are under the age of 18 at this time, you will need to have a parent or guardian agree to the terms of the housing and dining agreement. To do this, click the Add Parent or Guardian button to start the process. You will then be asked to provide your first and last name, email, and their relationship to you. Then click I agree to continue. After you click I agree, you can review your entry. If everything is entered correctly, click Save and Continue. After you click Save and Continue, you will be brought to the Waiting on Parent and Guardian signature page. You will continue to see this page until your parent or guardian completes their required next steps. The email address you provided will receive a notification with a link to your housing and dining agreement. When they click the email link, they will be asked to fill out their portion of the agreement. It is very important they fill out their first and last name exactly the way you provided. For example, if the first name you submitted was Susan, but they submit Sue, the system will not recognize this as a match. Once your parent or guardian completes their portion of the agreement, they will receive a proxy confirmation. Once your parent or guardian successfully completes their portion of the agreement, you will see a Continue button appear. Once you click Continue, you can finalize your housing and dining agreement on the next page. If you have any questions about this process, please contact the Office of Residence Life at 419-372-2011 or email at reslife@bgsu.edu.